Congratulations, you found the one. And at this stage in the process, you've negotiated a successful contract, and now you are ready to start the process to closing on your dream home. We're so excited for you and so excited to be a part of this journey. What comes next? Well, now you're going to be scheduling a home inspection. Understand that you'll be hiring an inspector of your choice to go in and thoroughly inspect the property from top to bottom. And yes, they are going to find a lot of things along the way. But your Better Homes and Gardens real estate agent will be here beside you to help determine what things you can pallet and what things you can't. At that point, we'll then ask the seller to make some repairs. They may or may not agree, but again, we're here to help negotiate you through that process. Now, if you've already scheduled your movers, call them real quick and let them know that you might not be ready exactly on closing date as written in the contract, because we've still got a few things we have to move through as a part of this process. Once the home inspection's done and the repairs are negotiated and agreed to by both you and the seller, we'll then be moving to the process of the appraisal. This will likely be ordered by your lender and will be a process in which they send out an independent party to determine the value of the home. In a perfect case, it will come in at either at or just above what you're paying for the house. Don't be surprised if it's very close to the contract sales price. Should it come in below the contract sales price, your agent will then be negotiating with the seller and their agent to try to determine if we can come to an agreement upon the appraised value. Once that's taken care of, then we'll start moving our process to the title company, in which they'll complete the title report. They'll be sending you some emails. Make sure if they ask you for information regarding sending money via wire, that you confirm that with your agent. We've seen a huge uptick in wire fraud, and we don't want you to be the next example. As you move through this process, you'll be seeing a lot of numbers, and it can be very overwhelming. But don't worry, your agent's going to be there all along the way to help review these numbers, look at the settlement statement, and determine that everything's accurate. As you move to the actual closing date, you may want to go ahead and schedule utilities to be transferred into your name effective as of closing. You'll also need to work with your insurance agent to make sure that you have your insurance in place, and you may have already done this if working with a lender. Also, you're going to want to make sure that as you move towards this closing date, that you have any proceeds that you need to bring to closing in the form of either certified funds or an established wire transfer that will send those funds directly to the title company just ahead of closing. Then you'll be on your way to closing with your agent, where you will sign all of your agreement, and you will become a homeowner. Congratulations on this next step. We look forward to seeing you at closing very soon.